Hello everyone, and welcome back to NutriVibe. Want to lose weight without starving yourself? The secret isn't eating less, it's choosing the right foods. Here are 7 foods that can help support healthy weight loss. These foods are nutritious, filling, and can make it easier to manage your calorie intake as part of a healthy lifestyle. Number 1, oats. Oats are rich in fiber, helping you stay full longer and reducing the urge to snack between meals. Number 2, eggs. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, which helps keep you satisfied and supports muscle maintenance during weight loss. Number 3, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and can be a healthy breakfast or snack with fresh berries. Number 4, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and lettuce are low in calories but rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Number 5, salmon. Salmon provides protein and healthy omega-3 fats that support overall health and help keep you feeling full. Number 6, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are naturally sweet, high in fiber, and a great alternative to sugary desserts. Number 7, avocados. Avocados contain healthy fats and fiber that can help you feel satisfied when eaten in moderate portions. Remember, no single food causes weight loss on its own. The best results come from a balanced diet, regular physical activity, good sleep, and consistency. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.